Remember driving off in the most expensive car you've ever had? You looked, you felt, you knew you were something special. If you found a little scuff, you got very upset about it. But was that car better in every way than a less expensive car? Why did you buy it? You bought it because buying is emotional. You bought an experience and you bought a feeling. The great thing to know, we all buy emotionally, and it's based on two core human needs. Will you or your product help me survive and make me feel safe? Or will it help me thrive to show my ego I've got status and comfort? The best and the smartest sales storytellers focus on 5 core emotions that enhance and feed those two big needs. I want you to know that the best stories have 1 or 2 of the following 5 emotions that I call the stuff. Does your story have sizzle? Is it cool? Does it deliver status, flash, and spark? Or is it touching? Are you able to give me more time with my daughter or special moments with my wife? Is it unexpected? Is it unlike everything else in its category? Because if it is, I have to take a look. Or is it funny? Well, I remember it and tell others about it because it makes me laugh. Last, if it points out and relieves my fear or fear of missing out, I will definitely pay attention. So when we're creating stories for each point in the buyer's journey, focus on the stuff so you can help people meet and achieve their deep-rooted goals and thrive or survive.